I'm Jack, and welcome to Miracamp. Over the years, we have trained hundreds of creative individuals, transforming them from novices into skilled content creators in just 30 days. One very important point, we are not a classic online course with only pre-recorded videos. We're an online school with many passionate teachers who answer feedback on every single exercise. You will be taught by professional creators like me with real-world experience, gaining over 300,000 followers on TikTok and growing social media accounts successfully. We have helped hundreds of creators build better content. This includes beginners like Ben, a yoga enthusiast who grew his following from 100 to 2,000 in just 4 weeks, and he secured his first teaching position at a top yoga studio in Paris. We've also coached established creators like Daniel with 221,000 YouTube subscribers, or Levi, who built a thriving Instagram community of 170,000 followers. These are just a few examples. We've worked with hundreds of other creators from diverse backgrounds, crafting a wide range of content across various platforms and helping them grow their audiences while fostering deeper, more meaningful connections with their communities. Our success stems from our tailored one-on-one coaching, which focuses on what truly matters to your needs and ensures rapid, significant progress. The personalized feedback you'll receive from our experts is crucial for making concrete improvements to your content. It is undoubtedly the most effective way to master content creation. This isn't just about theory, it's about practice. Throughout the bootcamp, you'll create your own editorial calendar and craft posts for YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok tailored to your ambitions. We're not just here to teach you how to launch your social media page, we're here to build it with you, guide you, and ensure you bring it to life and grow it to meet your expectations. So let's dive into the course content, and don't worry if you're a beginner, we're gonna start with the basics of content creation. We'll ensure your content strategy is solid, you understand your market, and your unique value proposition is clearly defined. We will focus into content production, where the magic happens. We'll teach you how to create amazing content using just your iPhone and how to master Canva and CapCut, simple yet incredibly powerful tools for designing your posts, thumbnails, and videos with the latest trending effects, captions, and styles. We will also help you build a content ideation machine to continuously generate fresh, high-performing content ideas for social media. This will empower you to produce outstanding content consistently while maximizing your content creation productivity. In addition, we'll dive into key areas such as monitoring and analyzing your performance, mastering the latest algorithm tips and hacks, and leveraging innovative tools like AI to boost your efficiency and productivity. And in the final section, we're going to help you create an actionable personal content roadmap, ensuring you achieve your goals one milestone at a time. I will also take you behind the scenes of how I grew my audience from 0 to 300,000 followers. I'll share all the secrets with you, what didn't work, the mistakes I made, the unforgettable morning I woke up to 50,000 new followers overnight, and the exciting journey that led to collaborations with iconic brands like Bose, Pandora, and even Snoop Dogg. So don't hesitate, now is the time to take action. Click the link below to join the bootcamp and kickstart your content creation career today.